So, ang gagawin ko po ngayon, how to collect data using high target ZTS 320R. So, first, press power. Then, start. Then, press F1 to light the screen. Then, press chord to adjust the brightness. Then, escape. Press menu. Then, press number 1, surveying. Then, create project name, example, demo. So, naka-numeric. So, press F3, alpha, numeric. So, backspace, demo. Space, demo. So, lahat ng mag-gathered na data dito papasok sa project name sa demo. Enter. Complete. So, station. Press number 1. So, press F1 input. Sample BM1. Backspace. Alphanumeric BM1. Numeric 1. So, code, example, ground, G. So, enter. Instrument height. So, assume 1.7. So, enter. Then, press F4, station. So, point name, BM1. Press F3, coordinates. So, wala pa tayong non-point ng tinayuan natin na station. So, assume tayo 20,000 northing. Then, assume tayo 10,000 easting. Then, assume tayo elevation 100. Enter. So, save. So, 20,000 northing, easting 10,000, elevation 100. Ito yung tinayuan natin. Yes. Complete. So, set up backside. Number 2, press number 2. So, input, backside. So, TX. TX1. So, code, ground pa rin. So, enter, target height ng range pool. Assume 1.6. Enter. Then, press F4, backside. So, point name, TX1. So, F3 and AZ. So, wala pa tayong non-point ng backside. So, press F3 by angle. So, assume natin 0 degrees to the north, orient natin yung instrument. 0 degrees to the north. Enter. Then, measure F3. Then, by angle F1. So, ito yung horizontal to the right. 359, 59, 57. So, 3 seconds, 0 degrees to the north. So, okay na yan. Yes. So, tapos na tayo sa norient na natin yung instrument. So, pwede na tayo mag-gather ng data. So, F3. Number 3, measure. So, measure. F3, number. Then, F3, coordinates. So, point name. C1. Alphanumeric. C1. Code, ground pa rin. Target height, 1.6, enter. So, shot ulit. Measure. Coordinates. So, C2, point name C2, code ground, enter. So, yun lang po yung pag-gathered ng data. Thank you.